Hello, this is a demo on how to get a Tripal portal run in the cloud. I will use DivSeek Docker image as example, and it will be on Google Cloud Platform. If you want to follow along this demo, you'll need a Gmail account, and then we go to cloud. So we'll go to Google Cloud. With a Gmail account, you can have access to some credits if you want to give a try. And then you will go here in console. So we will look to create a virtual machine, but first you need to create a project in the Google Cloud Platform. So I already have a project. Um, I will go look for my virtual machines instances. So here, let's say we want to create an instance, a virtual machine. For the demo, I will try to not change much in the parameters. I will just use default for now. The only thing I want to use here when I create, I will use the operating system. So we'll use Ubuntu. Okay. And also I will allow API access and traffic for HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, create. So our instance is being created. It will have an internal IP and external IP, which we can open in the browser. And I will have access here to more actions. But for now, I will have to open SSH access to the instance. Sorry, Google Cloud seems a little. So our instance was created. We have internal IP, we have external IP to access this instance, and we have some more options here in the menu. Like we can start the machine, stop, delete, or other actions. And for now, we'll just use SSH to access and install the Docker image. We also will follow the steps in DivSeek Canada website. So we have here a lot of information about Tripal and Tripal Docker image. We'll just scroll to the very bottom to access the tutorials. So here we have all the information organized in tutorials, and for today we'll use deploying the Tripal crop Docker. Okay, so here we have like 5 steps to deploy the Docker image. And we can do this here in our virtual machine. However, we'll need to install Docker first. So Docker, we'll want to install on Ubuntu because we choose an Ubuntu machine. So if you scroll down here, we'll find some information on the installation, and we have 3 different methods to install them. Most users are using this method. So we'll run all the steps. Okay. Then we are ready to install the Docker engine. And we'll not install a specific version, but we will want to check, verify if it was correctly installed. So we'll run this part of code. Okay, let's see if our Docker works. So it will download this image, and yes, we have Hello Docker here. This image was correctly run. Great. So we'll return back to DivSeek steps. So we'll run this first step. However, we have to use sudo access. We'll download this image. Then we'll have to download this file. Okay. So again, sudo and the rest of the command. Then we have this script, which will take a little bit longer. It took around 8 minutes to run the script at the step 4, and we have one more step to run. And now we need just a few more things before we can start to see the portal in the web browser. So we'll start the container, the Docker container, and then we'll start the database. Perfect. So now we're ready to go back to our virtual machine here. And we just click on the external IP. For some reason, the HTTPS doesn't work properly. I will just go through HTTP. So the full portal is available, and at this IP address, it's possible to buy with Google or another website, buy a domain name and just make it point to this IP address. Yeah, so that's really cool. Then I can show you another type of website I developed from this Docker image, which was a prototype for our bee biome portal. So again, sorry, I don't know why this secure doesn't work version. So this is what I developed last year, a prototype from the Tripal Docker image. And I also presented this a poster last year at ISMB. So you can find my poster on ResearchGate. I uploaded. And if you want, you can go to the YouTube channel of ISCB, where there's a video available about a presentation of my poster. if you might be interested. So yeah, that's really easy and fast way to set up a portal. And if we, let's say, don't want to use it for a moment or want to pause, we can just stop the instance here. And this will make it less expensive for us to host our website. Also, what's nice, you can install multiple instances, and this will allow us to run like a development version, test version of the portal, and production version. So yeah, good luck.